Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to color page number 1 from Vikas Navneet Drawing and Coloring Book class 5th. Okay, see that this is book is 3 standard but 5th standard having the same book like this, but class is different. For this we required crayon colors. The instructions are given. Color the picture using alternate dark and light tone shown in model with darker outline. Okay, here the some part is given to color. Only on that page we are going to color. I collect some color like a light dark shade. Okay, now I'm going to, some line is not visible, that's why I'm going to rewrite and redraw line on it by using pink color. In your book you are able to see the all lines are clear. On that worksheet line is not clear, that's why I'm just randomly going to draw lines on it. Now here as you can see, light blue and dark blue combination is there. Here you can use different colors like Persian blue and cobalt blue combination. Okay, like this combination you can use it, but here I am using ultramarine blue and cobalt blue as a light blue with the help of crayons. Alternate means you have to leave white part or one part dark and one part light. Like this we are going to paint this all picture and all part as shown. One by one leave that part which are a different color and try to paint it same. Like this we are going to paint it. Once you take blue color, if there where is a blue color is there, all that part you can paint at a time like this. If you notice that upside part blue is different and downside in water is different, but I don't have that much set, that's why I'm using a light blue and dark blue shade there. One by one you can complete this. When you painting any part, paint outline part first and then paint inside like this. Afterwards you can able to paint like this. One can give the colors there for every shades. First of all you have to choose color, which color we are going to use as a dark, as a light. Okay, you can change color shade also if you want to change, but try to do same. Now I'm taking a yellow and yellow ochre shade for a mountain part. On house also you can copy that same shades. Like this one by one. Now I am using yellow ochre color as a dark of yellow color. This two color combination, with the help of this we are going to complete the mountain part. It is very easy and simple to do. Now I am taking a orange color and yellow color combination on house. Like this we can do coloring. On top I am using a red color to paint roof of house, then orange color combination. When you painting any part, make that sure you have to paint all part properly. Like this, one by one we are going to finish all drawing. Here I am taking a light green color and dark green color combination as shown on that picture. Like this, paint all parts sharp. If any white part is remain, you can overlap it again and make it smooth and plain. Now dark color, like this we are going to complete with the dark and light green color the ground of house. For tree also you can use same color like light green, dark green, but in this picture they use orange color and pink color combination. That's why I'm going to do same. If you want to change color, you can change it like this. Now brown color and orange color, with the help of this two color we are going to complete these two parts. Actually in that book the light blue and gray or white color also you can use as a cloud, but here I am using a gray color and light blue. Afterwards you can use that tools to make a clean and smooth. If you using that, you can see the color will be look like a light, but if any white part is there, that also color automatically. When you using this tool, one by one you can complete it all, and make that sure you have to take one cloth or tissue paper with you to clean this tool, unless sometime color will be mixed on different color. Now for border I am using a black color like this. We are going to complete all bordering one by one. We can complete it. Okay, after bordering it look like better and more beautiful. Each and every part I am going to do border. Like this. Okay, afterwards if you done all drawing and coloring, if any part is you can give color again. After this it look like this. Afterwards we are going to solve one by one all pages. Okay, till that time, bye bye everyone. Thank you.